Yours is part of the whole AI trade. And what we've been trying to figure out now is where are we? What stage are we in this AI revolution? You've always been very optimistic. Where do you think we are right now?
I think we're on the way to the stadium. Hasn't even started.
The game hasn't even started.
It's obviously.
When does the game start?
I think it's getting ready to start. No, but seriously, there is, I would say, extraordinary demand, and you have to understand that we're shifting from calculating and computing, which is what we sort of did for 60 years, to thinking and helping people think. And that is just a total change. And the productivity and efficiency opportunities are very obvious, and we're starting to see those in not all the companies, but a small number of companies. The real opportunity is how you reimagine these companies. And we see this in the cohort of new companies that are born in 2025 are growing much faster than 24, and those grew much faster than the 23 companies. And so I think this is certainly the demand signal that we see from AI and the unlocking of the power of the data and the improvement of these models, which are extraordinary, but they're the worst they'll ever be. They're going to be way better in a year or two. The demand is in excess of the supply by quite a lot.
One thing that Wall Street is asking about now is how profitable for your business and for other businesses that are spending a lot of money on it.
Right. Well, I think there's a clear ROI that we and the customers that understand how to use this are generating. Certainly, our earnings per share have been consistently growing double digits, and we expect that to fully continue over the next 5 years. So, we have a great outlook for our business, and it is both because of AI and how it's helping us be a more competitive company, and because we're making the picks and shovels and selling them to all the great companies out there and the firms that are building these big models and doing all the inference. And I think it really is, we're way more at the beginning of this.
What's going on with pricing? Because we also, a big story has been, for instance, the surge in memory pricing. As you talk about demand outstripping supply in a lot of the parts of the building of this.
Well, this is a challenge because if you think about the way AI works, and let's go back to some of the early days of ChatGPT, right? This was a little over 3 years ago. Well, it takes 4 years to build a semiconductor plant. So 4 years ago, nobody knew about ChatGPT. Nobody was talking about reasoning models or agents and multi-agent systems and all these wonderful things. And so you would have had to have known all that to have put the capacity in. So we have a severe shortage in memory silicon and also in some of the advanced semiconductor nodes. And that's created a challenge, for sure.